All right. So we got Tony
and
Mikey doing the rotating the tires. Oh, hello! Welcome! And I've got Darren here. I believe you're the owner here at Rush?
I am.
Okay, so they're located here in Salt Lake City off of 9000 and State. And I believe you just moved to this new location, didn't you?
Did, about a year ago. I just bought this location, moved from 79th to State. Growing every day.
Congratulations.
Well, I appreciate that.
And this is the first time I've been here, but they've been awesome setting me up. And I'll be filming some of this rotation, and Darren's been nice enough to allow me to do that. So appreciate you.
Absolutely, you bet. I appreciate it too.
That was nothing for you guys. Yeah, I heard those are kind of a pain in the ass to get on.
There we go.
Yeah. You're like, man, where's my backup?
Yeah, he's the muscle. What? They say?
Oh, we were just laughing. Woof. So we got the oil drain in here.
Yeah.
You've done that once or twice?
Yeah.
So there's a old H1 Humvee here that they got working. Pretty cool little little pretty cool machine here. Never really seen one up close. Don't look too comfortable. And then it looks like these threads kind of got jacked up. But Mr. Muscle Tony here's got it all taken care of. His reputation precedes him. So I was just talking to Darren as well about doing the auxiliary fuel tank and the automatic fuel fill, along with putting on the truck boxes. So we'll be working with him and these fellas to do that as well.